We are the most stressed generation, not because we work too much, but because we care too much about what we can't control. 5,000 years ago, Arjun faced the same collapse. His battlefield was his burnout. Krishna taught Karma Yoga, act without attachment to results. Most of us live in a storm of what ifs. Karma Yoga is the bridge where peace isn't tied to results. Look at the loop. The normal mind moves in a circle, ego and stress. Karma Yoga breaks the loop, turning doing into being. This is flow. When the I disappears, work flows. You become the work. Karma Yoga is the ultimate ego killer. When you serve something larger than yourself, the burden of my reputation simply vanishes. It's a shift from what can I get to what can I offer. This is the secret to a life that is high performance but zero stress. By rewiring your focus from the fruit to the root, you unlock a level of mental clarity that no success or failure can ever touch. You have a right to the work, but never to the fruits. Master your action and you master your life. That is the power of Karma Yoga.